Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook dumplings at home. First, let's talk about pan frying. This method gives you a wonderfully crispy bottom and a tender, juicy top. Simply add 1 tablespoon of oil to a non-stick pan over medium heat. Place your dumplings in the pan, then add 1/4 cup of water and quickly cover. Let them cook for about 8 to 10 minutes until the water is gone and the bottoms are beautifully golden. Next up, boiling is perfect if you prefer a consistently soft and tender dumpling. Start by bringing a large pot of salted water to a vigorous, rolling boil. Carefully add your dumplings, ensuring not to overcrowd the pot. Once they float to the surface, continue to cook them for another 3 to 5 minutes. Then, simply drain them thoroughly and they are ready to be enjoyed with your favorite sauce. For a truly delicate flavor and texture, steaming is an excellent choice. Begin by lining your steamer basket with parchment paper or even some cabbage leaves to prevent sticking. Arrange your dumplings in a single layer, making sure there's enough space between each one for even cooking. Steam them over simmering water for about 10 to 12 minutes, depending on their size, until they are perfectly cooked through and tender. Now that your dumplings are cooked, let's talk about serving them. A classic dipping sauce of soy sauce and rice vinegar is always a winner. For those who love a little heat, a dash of chili oil or sriracha adds a fantastic spicy kick. Garnish with some fresh chopped green onions or cilantro for a burst of freshness. Whether as an appetizer or a light main course, your homemade dumplings are sure to be a hit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.